Whenever you're ready.
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready now. Good morning, everyone. Hello, I'm audible, ma'am.
Yep, you can continue. We can
Yes,
hear you.
yes, yes. Good morning, everyone. Myself, K. Jatin, pursuing PhD from Rajmata Vijayaraja India Krishi Vidyalaya, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, India. So, today I'm going to explain you. At present, we are mostly worrying about the global pandemic that is coronavirus. So here I'm going to tell you about one point, tell you the another point which is equal to the pandemic, global pandemic. That is destructive frugiperida. The Spodoptera frugiperida is equal to global. I'm comparing this to the global pandemic. Why? Because this frugiperida is host on 100 different species of the plants, and it also causing food security, a threat to our food security. So that's why I'm comparing this with the global pandemic. Here you can see, let me give some introduction about this pest. This pest is mostly confined to the tropical parts of the tropical parts of the America. And during the recent years, this pest has invaded different countries. In the 2016, this pest has invaded Africa, and in the year 2018, this pest was first reported from the Karnataka state of India. At present, this pest has invaded 21 states of India, and mostly uh, this pest is most in India. This pest is mostly causing damage on the sorghum, maize, rice, and other vegetable crops. If you see the, let me tell you some points regarding the damage caused by this pest. First of all, this pest is the most invasive and transboundary pest, and it has a good flying capacity. It flies up to 100 kilometers per the night, and after that it lays the eggs, and after laying the eggs it dies. So this pest first occurred in the Karnataka state. After that, let me tell some identification points for this pest. 2 points. For the egg moss is mostly laid up on the leaves. In the Indian conditions, one egg moss contains 100 to 120 eggs, and after that it is covered by the froth of the insect. Covered by the froth of the insect. And next one is, if you see the larva, the inverted Y shape, the head is the identification mark for the larva. And next, if we go to the people condition, the pupation mostly done in the soil. And if you go to the the adult is the wingspan has 30 to 40 mm, and is mostly and the adult male is mostly identified by having white color edges in the wing. And you can see in my slide, I'm keeping at present in the India, it is most devastated pest, and it causing uh, it's causing huge losses to the almost all the crops like sorghum, maize, which are under minor millets, and and minor millets and other nutritional crops, which are important in the semi-arid regions. Here in my study, I took this sorghum crop. I took this sorghum crop and different millets crops, and I have screened I'm screening about 300 different types of sorghum genotypes. So here, let me tell you a point of that. Here in the sorghum, the fall army worm, this pest attacks the sorghum at the early stage of the crop. If you see in the maize, this attacks later when compared to the sorghum. Sorghum is being attacked at the early stage, and the pest remains in the sorghum up to 70 to 80 days of the crop. After that, thereafter it remains in the roll of the plant and starts damaging. You can see the leaves. Mostly the leaves are being damaged, and mostly the ragged appearance is seen on the leaves. And if you see, when the sorghum plants goes to certain height, the rods are tightened up, and the fall army worm, the pest cannot live there, and it eliminates. When you see, if you see the maize, other than the maize, it damages the leaves and also the crops. And in the maize, this pest causes about 40 to 50% losses, while in the sorghum it causes 30 to 40% losses, and in the remaining minor millets it causes 15 to 20% of the losses. Now, as a result of appearance of this pest, the farmers are becoming more panic, and they have started using different types of hazardous chemical pesticides. As a result of the use of hazardous chemical pesticides, the environment is being polluted, and the natural enemies also get destroyed. everywhere, and as a result of this, the phytotoxicity gets increased, and as a result of this, the pesticide residues also increased. So to get rid of this problem, the insect tolerant genotypes or insect resistant genotypes uh, are the only one option. We have to go to the insect tolerant and insect resistant genotypes are the ecological, economical, ecological